I'd say if I could get any car built, it would be a Singer Porsche. I've always loved Porsches. I've been a Porsche guy. I got a 79 911 I built. I used to have a 2018 911S, and something about those Porsches, those old ones that Singer puts out, are just spectacular to me. And I couldn't imagine driving one of those, but those are all 7-figure plus, so that'll
Wow.
never happen.
Okay, so Porsche guys, when we come to Atlanta, I know you've seen it. I don't know if you've ever been to the Porsche Experience right there at the airport.
Yeah, I've done it.
So
Cost me 130 grand.
yeah, that's where. So Barry, when you come in, we'll get Scott to come out, and then we'll go to the Porsche Experience to go through their restoration hall, and
Yeah,
it's
that's awesome.
it's a neat
No kidding.
facility.
Really? I didn't even know that was a thing.
Yeah, it's
Ah,
called the Porsche Experience Center. It's right there off the runway in Atlanta by Hartsfield, and they got a track out there, and they've actually just expanded the track. Well, it's been a couple years now since they expanded the track. I went previous. I went probably about 2017. Um, when I upgraded to captain, I went there and did that, and ended up buying a new 911 after the experience. That's why I joke. That's why I joke it cost me so much.
I was wondering why, how it doesn't cost that much to go
Yeah,
there.
yeah, it's like 600-700 bucks probably for a couple hours, but it's really cool. They also have some pretty fun simulators there, and me and my
yeah,
buddies, like 5 of my buddies, went over there and we all raced each other. And they got like 8 simulators lined up next to each other, and we had that. I think that's like $60 for an hour or something. It's
yeah,
probably more. It's been a few years, but
Simulators are cool. The first time I met
yeah,
Jason, we played with a simulator at Petty's garage.
yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
That was
yeah.
freaking cool.
It's a really
Um,
cool facility, and they got a shop there, and everything. It's neat.
Back in 94, 94, 96, we went to Germany and we toured the Porsche plant.
Yeah.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's
So
so
fun was that was when the Boxster was coming out. We're actually at the airport and there's a Boxster and it's got big letters on the side. It was in German, obviously. And I asked my brother-in-law because he was working there for a company he was working for at the time. And I said, "What does that say?" It said experimental. So that was when before it
okay.
was released to the public.
Yeah.
So that was pretty cool.